Creating a tribute page for Ada Lovelace. Let's create a tribute page to honor Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer. This page will follow the requirements of the freeCodeCamp project and will be designed in HTML and CSS. Setting up the basic structure. We start with the HTML structure. First, we write the opening tag for HTML and set the language to English. Inside the head section, we add a meta tag for character encoding to ensure text is displayed correctly. We also include a meta tag for responsive design, making sure our page looks good on all screen sizes. Next, we define the title of the page as Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer. This will be displayed on the Browser tab. We also link an external CSS file to style our page. Building the main content. Now, we move to the body section, where all visible content will be placed. We create a main container with an id of main. This element holds everything on the page and helps us organize the layout. Adding an image section. Inside the main container, we create an image section with an id of img div. This section will contain a portrait of Ada Lovelace, with an id of image. A caption describing the image, with an id of img caption. The caption will say, Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer, whose visionary work on Charles Babbage's analytical engine laid the foundation for modern computing. This section will make our tribute page visually engaging. Writing the tribute information. Next, we create a text section with an id of tribute info. This section contains a detailed summary of Ada Lovelace's contributions, including how she worked with Charles Babbage, how she wrote the first algorithm for a machine, how she predicted the future of computers beyond calculations. This helps users understand why Ada Lovelace is important in computing history. Adding an external link. After the tribute information, we add a link to an external website for more details. The link will have an id of tribute link. It will point to the Britannica page on Ada Lovelace. It will be set to open in a new tab, so users don't leave our tribute page. This improves the user experience by providing more information without interrupting their browsing. Highlighting key points in Ada Lovelace's life. We now create a section for key points, where we list important aspects of Ada Lovelace's life. Each point will have a heading and a short paragraph to explain it. Early life and education, how Ada's upbringing shaped her interest in math and science. Collaboration with Charles Babbage, her work on the analytical engine. The first algorithm, how she developed a method for computing Bernoulli numbers. Visionary ideas, how she predicted that computers could do more than calculations. Legacy, her lasting impact on women in STEM and modern computing. These points help summarize her achievements clearly. Adding a footer. At the bottom, we add a footer section with a copyright notice. This makes the page look more professional. The text will say, Copyright 2024 Ada Lovelace Tribute Page. All rights reserved. Styling with CSS. Now, we move to CSS to enhance the design. Making the image responsive. We make sure the image resizes properly so it looks good on all screen sizes. Max width is set to 100% so it never gets bigger than its original size. Height is set to auto so it scales correctly. The image is centered within its container. This ensures better display on mobile devices. Styling the page layout. We set up styles for the entire page. We choose a clean, modern font. We remove unnecessary margins. We add padding to create space around elements. The background color is light gray for a soft, readable look. Enhancing the link design. We style the external link to make it more visible and interactive. The text color is blue. When hovered, it underlines to show it is clickable. This makes the link user-friendly. Adjusting the main content box. We style the main section to look professional. We set a maximum width so it doesn't stretch too wide. We center it on the page. We add a shadow effect for a modern touch. Improving readability. We make sure the tribute information and key points are easy to read. The text is well spaced. Headings are bold and slightly larger. The key points have a structured format. This makes the page visually appealing and easy to understand, making the page mobile friendly. We add responsive design so the page works on small screens. We adjust font sizes for mobile devices. We ensure elements are spaced properly. The page remains clean and readable on phones and tablets. Now, our tribute page is fully responsive and looks great on any device. Final thought.